Okay, hi everyone. Today we going to learn how to use CamDraw and the visualizer. First of all, we need to download our protein. So we can go to the internet to the PDB homepage and find our protein. Our protein code is 3D4S. And at the page of the protein, we can see the path to download the file is on the right hand side, and we download it in the PDB format. So now we can open through the visualizer. Okay, first of all, we're going to see the full structure of protein with other drug and enzyme. So first of all, we're going to open the view tab and pick the hierarchy. Okay, so the hierarchy going to show all the structure inside the protein itself. Okay, so now we are going to eliminate the unnecessary item, so such as the water, other active site and other ligand groups. So as everyone know, our ligand is the first one, the ligand number 1. So the other 5 of the 6 ligand is not needed, so we can eliminate them. You can eliminate them just by clicking the box beside them. Okay, so when the box is already blank, it means that the part is already deleted. Okay.
The box blank baru eliminate.
Yes, when the box blanks, baru eliminate. Next, I want to tell you about how to change the display style, the settings of the background and so on. So you can see the display style tabs on the second row and on the third row. The display style tab, you just need to click on it and then it will pop up. So
Please
display style.
Okay.
Third row, okay, just click on it and then it will pop up a window. So on this window we can choose the design of anything that we want to change or make it more clear. As such, we go to the tab graphics and we can change our background color to white for more clear presentation. Okay. The next one, we want to show the interaction between the drugs and the ligands. So we need to click on the ligand interaction on the far left side on the third tab under display receptor ligand interaction. So click the ligand interaction tab. And then the interaction will show between the drug and the ligands. Okay, so now one of the tedious tasks we need to do is to find the best perspective view so that we can see all the interaction clearly. Okay, so we can rotate and try to find the best perspective. After we found the suitable perspective, okay, we can choose to look at the receptor surface on the left hand side also. Okay, the fourth tab, the display receptor surface tab. Yeah, you can see on the aspect of a lot of aspects, aromatic, hydrogen bond, hydrophobic, and so on. So the most important one we are going to look is on the hydrophobic aspect. So just click on the hydrophobic tab and it will show the structure of the hydrophobic structure of the receptor based on the hydrophobic aspect. So as you can see, the more brown it is, the more hydrophobic the part is. So the more brown the part is, the more hydrophobic the part is. So the more blue, the less hydrophobic the part is. Okay. But we don't need to take the picture with the hydrophobic aspect, so we can eliminate that. So just press it. Okay. Next one is we are going to label the receptor. Okay. On the first row of the upper part, the structure tag.
Structure that. Okay.
Uh, on the label part, add labels. Okay. The object is the amino acid. We choose the amino acid, and then we can choose what kind of types we want to show, whether it's names or color or anything. But we just are going to show it the names. Okay, and then choose the color and the font. Preferably something bright and bold. Font something bold, and the color is something bright. Okay, apply the settings, and then we can see all the receptor has been labeled based on their name. So now we already almost finished the part, the visualizer part. So we already labeled, and for information, the dotted line is the interaction between the ligand and the receptor. Being the label one is the receptor, as you can see, THR, the VAL, all of those are receptor, and the ligand is our drug. Okay. So now the last job you need to find is find the best perspective that could fit all of this. We need to draw the drug by ourselves. So first I think we should Google the structure of our drug, the 3 molar structure. Okay, and then look for the image, and then we can just compare with our drawing. Just draw by ourselves. So I've already drawn it first. Next, from that 2D drawing, we're going to open the Cam 3D hotlink on the view, and show the Cam on the view tab, show Cam 3D hotline window. So when you click show Cam 3D hotlink window, the window of Cam 3D hotlink will pop up on the right side. Then click on the bottom of the window, the launch Cam 3D, the first one, the most left one. Okay, we can click on that, and then it will automatically launch the Cam 3D. The Cam 3D pop up, so we can see the 3D structure of it. So the last step we need to take is the calculation. So click on the calculation tab, and on the MM2. So first one is we need to compute the properties. Click run. So the compute properties is to count the total energy of the structure, but still the structure is not stable. So the next one we need to calculate is the minimized energy of the structure. So it's the same. Click on the calculation MM2, click on the minimized energy. Okay, and then same, click run. So now the Cam 3D calculate the total energy of the structure, which is already stable. And as you can see, the structure already moved into the stabilized form. So we can use this on our D part to calculate. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.